Okay, this is question 3 on the paper A, calculator paper. It says Jane writes a check for £1,326. Now, it is really important, especially in terms of what this question says, write 1,326 in words, that you actually say it in your mind and you're okay with it. So it wants us to write that in words. So 1,000. So that's 1,300. So 1,326. Okay, that's it. And that's only worth 1 mark. Now the examiners don't see that as really important, but you need to take your time and make sure you're able to do it. Going on to the next bit. On another check, Jane writes the amount in words as £504.47. Write £504.47 in figures. Now, one of the things that I do when I'm doing this is to break it down. So 500, so that's 500, and £4, so that's just £4, and 47 pence. Well, that's usually after the decimal point, so that's 0.47. So you want to try to bring those things together, and breaking it down like that helps you see it in your mind. So £504.47. That's what it looks like when you put it all together. Okay, looking at the next part, Jane is paid £2,639 each month. Write down 2,639 to the nearest £100. So we need to write that down to the nearest £100. So if I look at this, this is 2,600. So let me just write some numbers in hundreds. So 2,500. So I'm going a little bit before this number. 2,600, 2,700. Now where would I put an arrow to mark 2,639? 2,639, if that was the halfway point, then 2,639 is going to be about there. Now which hundred is it closest to? It is closest to 2,600. Right? Now, some of you might think about this in different ways, in ways of your own, but 2,600 is the correct answer, and you should be able to do this. This is a pretty straightforward question, pretty easy and straightforward marks to get.